The Northern Galaxy Light Aurora Projector by Hodans is an impressive 3-in-1 device that combines a starry sky and Aurora projector with soothing white noise and a Bluetooth speaker. This product aims to transform any room into a peaceful, immersive environment reminiscent of a mini planetarium. After gathering extensive user feedback from across the internet, it is clear that this projector delivers a unique blend of ambiance, relaxation, and entertainment. The projector's core feature is its upgraded dual projection lens system that creates 33 distinct light effects, including 16 northern light effects and a starry sky. The lights are based on 4 colors: red, green, blue, and white, and users can customize the display with 3 modes, 5 brightness levels, and 5 flow speed settings via the included remote control. This flexibility allows the projector to suit various moods and settings, whether you want a gentle glow for relaxation or a dynamic light show for parties. The northern lights are vivid and visible in both bright and dark rooms, though they appear most striking in darkness. One of the standout aspects of this projector is its soothing white noise feature. It offers 8 natural sounds such as ocean waves, forest birds, rain, lullabies, and campfire crackling. These sounds are designed to promote inner peace, aid sleep, and even calm crying babies. Many users have praised this function for helping with insomnia and creating a tranquil atmosphere. The white noise can be played independently or alongside the light effects, enhancing the overall sensory experience. The built-in Bluetooth speaker adds another layer of utility. It allows users to stream their favorite music wirelessly, and the projector includes a rhythm mode where the lights pulse and move in sync with the music's beat. This makes it an excellent addition for parties or casual gatherings. While the speaker quality is generally considered acceptable, it is not high-end audio equipment but sufficient for ambient music and background sound. The projector's design is both functional and charming, featuring a unique elephant shape that appeals to all age groups, from infants to elders. It is compact and lightweight, measuring about 6.7 by 5 by 4.3 inches and weighing just over a pound, making it easy to move between rooms. The device is powered by a corded electric source, eliminating the need for constant battery replacement, which many users find convenient and reliable compared to battery-operated alternatives. Control is straightforward with the included remote, which allows users to adjust brightness, speed, light modes, and sound settings without needing to interact directly with the device. The projector also features an auto shut-off timer, which is useful for nighttime use, letting it run safely without worry. Users have noted that the remote is intuitive and responsive, enhancing the overall usability. Customer reviews highlight the projector's ability to fill large rooms with vibrant colors and stars, creating a majestic and ethereal atmosphere. It has been used in various settings, including bedrooms, living rooms, play tents for children, and even spa treatment rooms, where it adds a relaxing ambiance that clients appreciate. The versatility and quality of the light effects are often cited as major positives. However, some users have reported occasional technical issues, such as the projector stopping unexpectedly or Bluetooth interference. One noted drawback is that when not actively playing music or sounds, the projector remains in Bluetooth pairing mode, which can cause other devices in the vicinity to attempt connections unintentionally. There is currently no way to disable Bluetooth pairing unless music or sounds are playing, which some find inconvenient. Another minor criticism concerns the color of the stars, which are green by default. Some users would prefer stars in more natural hues such as golden, white, or blue, as green stars can feel less realistic. Additionally, the rhythm mode, while fun for parties, can be too bright or stimulating for sensitive individuals, particularly those who are neurodivergent. The projector is well certified with FCC, ROHS, and CE approvals, ensuring safety and quality standards. The manufacturer offers customer support and solutions if issues arise, although some users have found it difficult to contact the seller directly. In summary, the Northern Galaxy Light Aurora Projector is a high-quality, multifunctional device that excels in creating a soothing and visually stunning environment. Its combination of customizable light effects, natural white noise, and Bluetooth music playback makes it a versatile gadget for relaxation, sleep aid, and social gatherings. While there are some minor drawbacks related to Bluetooth management and star color preferences, the overall user experience is overwhelmingly positive. This projector is highly recommended for anyone looking to enhance their home ambiance with a touch of the cosmos. If you already own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support this channel.